shall perish, we shall protect us from all the deeper price is meant for when man was thine, with the shred of peace. Hail to the earth from consecrated nations. Oh, Fatherland, please lead us open pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Seeking abroad will come the privilege. The waving storm of Greenland warnings the fleet shall not rest of life of liberty. We shall emerge triumphant from this morning, and through the crucible was earthly pass. When we apart, thou wilt so much we shall remember those who died in Mars. There shall not always be the sun. The victory is of light and land of the right side, John Divine, my originality. Land of the right side, Biafra, land of the right side, Biafra, my home, my fatherland, Biafra, land of the rising sun, Biafra, my home, my fatherland. We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God, the Creator. Wise men from the east, south, and the middle, great Biafran people. But they kill it to idol worship and we lost the face of our God. And as we were load in idol worship and the British entered in, trading on the Niger, exploiting job people, trading by barter. You give me palm oil and take soup, so them enter there. I brought in civilization, brought in job religion, and told us about America. and we embrace them. I never knew them got up to their motel. With religious splitted us amongst our brethren. With denomination, tear us apart. Building churches, schools and hospitals. We never knew we had to pay this much to be your place forever. Oh, nah. So we fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schisms. We fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schisms. But our lives have gone poor. At the very spot we left our maker. Now is the time to be restored. Great Biafra be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for Biafra. I want Biafra. Land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. The descendants of Abraham, from Father Isaac, the descendants of Jacob, Biafra is a reality, my originality.
Why are you people lying? Why don't you tell them they want an independent Biafra? Oh, they're fighting for their freedom. So we owe everything to Chukwuka who asked us to come. Not by our own might, nor power, nor will, but by the grace of People's Power.
Back in 1914, amalgamation, colonial masters, criminal masters. A mercenary soldier named Frederick Lugar brought together all them captives, including Jaffe Paul, them Yorubas and them Ariwas, and so many other people called us Nigeria, Niger area. Oh, Nigeria, people with different religion, different beliefs, yeah, different in culture and tradition, different language, different in everything, overstanding on the reason first to coexist together. In the plant of confusion, describe it as oil and the water that can never mix. Planted the cabals, them representatives here in Nigeria, looting all our treasures, colonial external marginalization of them Biafra. Now is the time for manifestation. Now is the time to be restored. Great Biafra be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for Biafra. I know Biafra. Land of the rising sun. Biafra, my home, my fatherland, Land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. My home, my fatherland, my originality. Land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. Sweet home, my father's land. I believe in Biafra. Land of the rising sun. Yes, there was a country before the Biafra. Yeah, my home, my father's land. Yes, it's a
land of the rising sun. Biafra. Yes, of course, Biafra is the land of the rising sun, and I must tell you, Biafra is all that Biafrans has got. Biafra is all that the Biafrans has got. You can claim to be anything, but in the end, you will see that you are a Biafran. And hopefully you will be proud of your action when it comes to the issue of Biafra. A lot of people embark on this journey. A journey to liberate the people, a journey to save the next generation of Biafra, a journey to undo all the evil that have been done to us. And they think it's going to be 3 hours, 3 minutes, vocational, you know, leisure time. No. We must always learn from the past and be ready to learn from the present. And then we can be very sure of what the future holds. For even if it's 100 lifetime, everybody who is stopping Biafran from coming up will never have freedom. Chastisement physically and spiritually will descend on them. If Nigeria knew what is coming for them, by now they will be negotiating to allow us to go. They will not be even restructuring national confab, national. No. We wish you do the right thing at the right time. Don't worry. And so when you are here, you want to support the freedom. Oh, you want our people to understand. It's your choice. But we have made up our mind. On this platform, it is Biafra or Biafra. Don't worry. Nikome, yakunye raja bonfia. This is Radio Biafra Extra for the avoidance of doubt on this very faithful day. The 16th day of the month of August, the year of Chukwukika Biama 2019, and it is approximately 15 minutes after the hour of 5 o'clock here in Biafra land. And I will say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. Radio Biafra Extra is actually streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. His name is Mazi Uche, who came from Efo. Unlike those who have gone before us, he simply assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. You know, just like the Bible says, they brought their affliction, sickness, and disease to the Almighty Creator, and with a word, he healed them. And with a word, Mazi Uche, who came from Efo, has stood on the land. Chukwukika Biama helping him, corruption has not come here. He's standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Beku, just like the prophet of old, who wailed, who cried, and said, God, who will go for us, who will defend us. And yet there was nobody found on earth to speak for the people of God until he came and say, here I am, send me. And so when we say he's our Savior, people do not understand. But then there is nothing you will do. There are a lot of people conversing over how we address our leader, not your leader, not your leader. They tell you, our problem is that how can you be supremanizing somebody? But if we don't supremanize somebody, who do we supremanize? Fulani herdsmen, Miati Allah, Yoruba 10%, or you saboteur? Who do we supremanize? We are going to supremanize our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And of course, if you are not happy with it, if you are in Nigeria, I will not advise you to hug transformer because there is no light. He just, be doing, just if you are in abroad, just hug transformer. I'm sure even if it's DC or AC, you will be roasted properly, and then they can use you to do corn beef. I have told you, when you kill Nigerian people, convert them to corn beef and send it to us. Just put made in Nigeria from abroad. We will buy it. But would they ever understand? Would they ever learn? By the grace of Chukwukika Biama, remain George Unibe. I am from Abo is in Delta State. Delta State is in Biafra land. And by the grace of Chukwukika Biama, according to Uchimefo, with every degree of certainty, we are reaching you across the globe. From Abo, very close to Yurugudu. So many when you are boy, I'm only buying all the Yuru, Agwon Ukun, no Tehona, no Baha so Ibu, no so Ibu Mwelenishi. As all any here monopolo. na kani so here me polo iru ebere ho ara agba na ara koki na ara hiwe wo hiwe ara because ma kani azali here me ni polo. But of course, let me not proceed until I acknowledge the Almighty Chukwuka Abịama. The song I just played, now anytime I hear that song, it takes me out of the zoo called Nigeria into the kingdom of Jah. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. I have sampled that song. I don't know who sang it anyway, but I know it's a Biafran. It's unbelievable. But then we must continue. I will appreciate the Almighty Creator before any other thing. And so I humble myself before him. Because before he's present, every other one disappears. He's the only one that is right, and then all of us are wrong. For nobody can say no when he say yes. Neither could any man say yes when he say no. He's the one we worship. We worship the Lord, the great I am. We worship the Lord, the great I am. Eternal, oh Holy One and steadfast. The Lord God we worship is the great I am. Yes, we worship the Lord, the great I am. We worship the Lord, the great I am. Eternal, unchanging, one and faithful. The Lord God we worship is the great I am that I am. Anyị na-aja gị mma o, ịmakwa n'eziokwu na ịmara mma ịhụnanya anyị na gị obiọma gị o juru anya anya dadị o inweghị mgbanwe ọ dịghị onye dị ka gị ịbụ Alfa na Omega anyị niile na-asị na the Mao. You see. I'm happy that I know that what we are doing here today, for 1,000 generations to come, it will echo into eternity. For our action these days as Biafra will last beyond the pyramids of Egypt. So you keep your record. Hadia Mama. We must proceed to our topic this morning as always. Our topic this morning is simple. Biafrans must get ready for Nigeria because the worst is yet to come. Biafrans, you must get ready for one Nigeria because the worst is yet to come. Is that one Nigeria, you know, it's going to be good. And there are some people working very hard. You want to kill us. Do you know who we are? Do you know who we are? Oh, we are Yorubas, Oduduwa. We will teach this Biafra lesson. You will teach us lesson. Of course, we are willing to learn. Oh, we are Biafrans. We are not. We are Nigerian. We are Biafran, but yet we want Nigeria. You will teach us lesson. You have no idea what is coming to you. Oh, we are Hausa, middle belt, Niger belt, bottom belt, on top of land belt, south, southeast, bottom line, river line, southwest, upland, coastal region, Sambisa region, all of the region. We are Fulani. You want to stop us? Yes, we are Britain, we are world power, we will teach a Biafran lesson. Let me tell you, you are hallucinating, honestly, because you never know what is coming to you. Collect the fingerprint of our people across the globe. It will not save you. Harass us, intimidate us, you already know it will not save you. I think Zazaki is back for you. Chop him. Chop him. Igwemu aye Igwemu galukwa di aye nenu wakanye no aye Igwemu gamokwa nwa aye nenu wakanye no aye. Understand, we ask for one thing, and that thing is that the zoo called Nigeria be totally obliterated from the face of this planet Earth, because this is the greatest abominable entity, the greatest sin against Homo sapiens. Is that too much to ask for? Because the dismembering of Nigeria, zoo, everybody will now be able to enjoy God-given rights. That right to self-determination. We can exercise our right to civil disobedience. But we must continue. If you like, get sense. If you don't like, no get sense. It is two ways. Either you use your head or somebody will use it for you. It's just a matter of time. We shall know the truth, and the truth will set us free. Nigeria, as we all know, for as long as I can remember, has only one agenda for the Biafran people. And that is to ensure that they completely destroy us in every way imaginable. I've not always been here. I was born one, I grew up, and I begin to observe what is happening to us as a people. I personally understand, as far as I can remember, that Nigeria as a terrorist state has only one agenda for us as a people, and that is to totally destroy us, emasculate us, subjugate us, harass us, intimidate us. In fact, the worst part of it is that they are working very hard to bastardize our blood lineage. It's everywhere. I am an Igbo man, but I am not an Igbo man. How ironical. And then I was brought up in a community where they say, oh, you are not Igbo, you are not Igbo, you are a Eka. Honestly, the language I speak is a Eka language. But I'm a Zio, I'm a Idoma, I'm a Gala, I'm Igbo, I'm a Akwa Ibom. You are only Igbo, stop deceiving yourself. I'm a Efik, I'm a Obobura, I'm Ugeb, you are Igbo man. I have a friend, his name is Onyema. And my name is Onyema. We don't speak the same language. So who is deceiving who? What am I trying to say? It is simple. They have only one agenda. And that agenda is to completely destroy us as a people. When I come and say, oh, I'm Igbo, I'm Igbo, I'm Igbo, they say they are not Igbo, you are Igbo. Most of you don't even know the difference between Igbo and Igbo. IGBO and IBO. I don't know if I spell it correct anyway. But one of them is Igbo and the other one is Igbo. I am Igbo. I am not Igbo. And you are Igbo. You are not Igbo. Who is deceiving who? Osetiana. That is to tell you how far they have gone. But bit by bit, we will expose them. There are many things you will not understand. But of course, get ready on Sunday. We are going to pray for Nigeria. We are going to pray for the handlers of Nigeria. Sustainers of Nigeria, we are going to pray for them. Because the Creator who had the final say is going to settle them. They cripple our politicians, turn them into slaves and beggars, instrument of subjugation for the oppression of their people. This is all they want. This is all they will ever be. Anything short of that, they will meet with the greatest humiliation of their life. You see people, they can, you know, we are your politician. Are we not your senator? Are we not your representative? Are we not your governors? Are we not? But these people are not there for us. And then when you tell some people, look into the issue of Biafra, they will say, what is your governor saying? What is your senator saying? What is your this one saying? What is your that one saying? But who are these people? Who are these people? Are you telling us the British senator appointed, how does Mazia Ganeku call them? Warrant chief. Are you telling me about warrant chief? Biafrans, get ready. The worst is here to come, but believe me, we are ready. We are ready. Our heart is laid upon. In fact, we ourselves have buffatized our heart. You know, I met the brother. He said they beat him up, and the brother was telling me, he said, do you know that they buffatized me? I just paused my own recording memory. After we finished the meeting, and I asked the brother, when you say you were buffatized, they buffated you, what do you mean? He said, oh God, they buffatized me. He didn't want to explain. I left him, and I said, what is buffet? And I discovered that Buffett is that, that far away they use the roast here. So they roast the guy. Guy, this is serious, I must tell you. These people you see, your politicians, they have been crippled. I read an article online. They say the only woman who have ruled Enugu is David. What is the name of Enugu governor? He's a woman. Ebonyi State is Dawuda Umaru. When I hear people, they say Ebonyi State governor is David Umaru. No, it is Dawuda Umaru. Umahi in Islamic nation is Umaru. And David in Islamic nation is Dawuda. So when you are addressing your governor, those of you from Ebonyi State, you call him Dawuda Umaru. They think they are there for you. The day they come out and say the truth, you will see how miserable they are. But hopefully, you'll be able to understand. We don't expect you to get it all. But sometimes you learn from those who have gone before us. Just learn from them.
The way to stop corruption. Any country that does not obey rule of law is a jungle. Do you want Nigeria to be a jungle society? Immediately I suspect you that you have done something wrong, I don't ask police army, catch you and throw you into jail. Is that the country you want? No. They said to be strong is to jail people indiscriminately. All what they want to use power for is to lock up their enemies and imprison their enemies. I have no enemy to fight.
Have you heard? That is Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, the very one president of America, Barack Obama, removed from office and gave us Jubilee. Oh, hey, America. God bless America. Njoshi. This is what they have reduced our politicians to. I can tell you that since I was born, two men, irrespective of anything, came out with pure agenda for the Nigerian people. One of them was Yaradua. Forget about that his elder brother was a terrorist. They brought him to office to compensate his elder brother. But I think he has a good intention. He was poisoned in office. But outside that, the only president Nigeria has ever had without apology is Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. And when I hear you say, hey, Goodluck did this, Goodluck did that, but I hope you are enjoying your one Nigeria. But if you don't get ready for what is coming, I have pity for you. Do I know Goodluck? No. Have I seen him before? No. Do I know anything about? No. I don't need to know anything. We watch your footsteps. Can we check one up? The way animal walks, that is how they give them name. The way animal behave, that is how they give them name. But one day you will understand what we are telling you. We only telling you this morning, get ready for the worst, because we are very ready. Once you are a politician in Biafra land, you want to defend your people, they will humiliate you in such a way that you are not even ready for. But when the politicians of Nigeria, once they are protected, it's okay. Goodluck, Yaradua, a good man, died in office. Just only good man. He's not part of the terrorists. I think his mother got him from somewhere else. Because Yaradua that died in prison under Abacha is not actually the same blood with this guy. He died in office. The same way they don't want you to know Buhari that. That is how they hide him. And people who try to say the truth, they all die. What is the name of this woman that was poisoned? Now that woman. Where is she? Because they said the truth. Get ready for the worst. We've seen, honestly, but the worst is yet to come. And Goodluck came there. Who are you going to make your leader? The people who, when you tell them, confront them with the truth, they will jail you. They believe that locking you up makes them powerful. Killing you indiscriminately is what gives them power. But they don't know what is coming for them. For nobody have monopoly over death. I listened to our leader broadcast in the late 2014. And he said that the reason they don't respect us is because we are not bombing anybody. When one Mohammed Jubilee or anybody comes and we are bomb, American soldier will roll, Japan soldier will roll, Indian soldier will, all this world power, Japan, all of them, they will roll. The Islamic terrorist jihadist soldier, he say, no, don't bother to waste that one bullet. I have enough explosive to wipe all of us out. The moment they open their cloth, everybody run. Also, so they tell them to go and fight Islamic terrorists. They have to plan, ask for Holy Ghost intervention. There is nothing they will not do. Why? Because they will meet people who are dead already. But when they want to kill us, as I say, no, don't kill us, oh, Jesus. That is why they are killing you. You can imagine I get to a checking point, and the police say, your 100 naira. I say, I don't have 100 naira. A conk gun, I say, give me your 100 naira. I say, save that bullet, I have enough bomb. I tell you, in less than 2 hours, you won't see checking point in Biafra land. So if you are not ready for suicide bomber, you get ready. I'm the one telling you, because I think that is the solution. Suicide bomber will bomb everywhere. They want Biafra, who will give them Biafra. But then, as disciplined people, let's engage the global community. All of you get ready. Don't let them deceive you. Don't let them fool you. Ndioshi. The Lord came here. Let's set Nigeria right. All our money was Islamic money, Saudi Arabia money. That is what Nigerians have been using before Good Luck came. Good Luck came, he changed some of them. 10 naira, 5 naira, 20 naira, 100 naira, 50 naira. He removed Islamic because we are not Saudi Arabia, a jihadist nation. Most of you can't see it. That money passed so many messages. As they are now, they are making sure. One day now you wake up because you are a chimpanzee. They will say, well, we are reprinting money. You will not know why they are reprinting the money. It is to reinstate the jihadist nation and symbol in our currency. After everything about our image as zoo called Nigeria supposedly, is it not the jihadist terrorist nation? Shithole. Zoo. They make sure that the effort of our youth is never rewarded, only when they make themselves available as instrument to perpetuate evil. Anything short than that, they will be hunted down like animal. Look at our youth. You go to school, you read, you do everything you want to do. At the end of the day, Nigeria is waiting for you. They will reduce you to nothing. You are hopeless, except you agree to be instrument. All those of you who were giving God, read the election for us, look at it, our market. I hope they are still picking your number. You don't know these people. During election, they start buying corn on the street. They buy pure water. They buy pepper. Some of them even make food and sell in canteen to deceive you. But of course, you are gullible. You fall for them. They give you gun. During election, there is no senator, no governor, no president you will call that will not pick your call. After election, you will know they have plenty number. Today, you mistakenly call their direct line. The insult you will receive, you will wish you never called them. You are youth, they think you are hopeless, but these same people causing this mayhem, all of them begin to rule Nigeria. In fact, British government amalgamated Nigerian with 6 years, 3 years, and 4 years old baby. Most of you don't know. They handed over power to people who are 6 years, 12 years, and 14 years. And today you are 40 years, you are still doing pingy and sagging. They are mad people. And that mind, you know, imagine at the age of 40, you are doing sagging. Some of you are even 60, you are doing sagging, pingy. They wear Musachi and Moschino. You are happening guy. You are a man, you are a papa, happening grandfather, young papa. And you think you are youth. Look at what they are doing to us. You only become useful when you allow them to use you. This is what they have reduced us for. But their own children, they are schooling in abroad. They are regrooming them. Most of you don't know that the children of every governor and president in Nigeria have automatic employment into central bank. Automatic employment into oil company. Automatic employment into anywhere they want to. They are schooling abroad. They want to rule us. They want to rule our children. We are waiting for all of you. All of you. Curse is the womb that born you. All of you. You want to rule us, Abi? Don't worry. You groom your children to be rulers of our land. We are grooming our children to be the next generation of Boko Haram. Sorry, Biafra Haram. Ndiushi. The worst is here to come, my brothers and sisters. If you say the truth, if you talk about the injustice, you talk about the indiscriminate killing of the supposedly Nigerian armed robbers, Nigerian zoo. You talk about the political thuggery. You dare talk about the looters. You will be charged for treason. Ever ask for your freedom, you will be charged for treason. And your life will be made miserable. Look at Zazaki. Look at our leader, Mazen Nandekano. Look at all those people who are arrested alongside with him. They make their life miserable. From the day DSS arrested me till today, my life have not been the same again. I can't go to church to worship God again. I can't go to my business to do anything again. My life has not been the same again. You can imagine how many people. Can imagine Bright Chimezie, Benjamin Madubugu, Chidebere Onwudiwe, our supreme leader Mazen Nandekano. Millions of people who have died. Millions of people who are miserable. In fact, I broadcast one day here and I talk about somebody who was shot on the leg since 2015 and is suffering from it. Somebody called me and said, oh, send money for the boy. He ended up helping that boy and one widow. It was simple. It was cheap. The boy got 20,000 and the widow got, or the widowed woman got 10,000. But it's okay. Igbo don't love themselves. I know. But you must understand what we are trying to make you see. If you like, see, the worst is here to come. This is what they do to us. This is how they live. The moment you say the truth, you will be made miserable. But when you are miserable, will they make miserable? No. He that is down, fear no fall. Are we afraid of anything? But if you are not down yet and you are afraid, you will get down. Because fear is a torment. It's a snare. And it will get all of you. But when you lie, as a Nigeria, lie to launder the image of Nigeria, you will see how honorable you will become. Just learn how to lie and become somebody. Just hold on. It's good you learn to lie so you become prosperous.
Your leader. Don't be a distraction. Even when the leader's policies are not quite right. No. Anybody who tells you that Buhari is not doing well is a liar from the pit of hell. Really? Giving
you agree to that?
Pathetic liar from the pit of hell.
I can't condemn entirely everything that Buhari has done.
These are laundering agents, Joe Ibokwe and co.
Ibokwe must agree. We are hungry. Nigerians are hungry. The economy is
no,
bad.
We are chopping.
We need to move to a next level.
That is the new blackmail in town. That's a new blackmail in town. We're hungry. We're hungry. That's what we're seeing. Look at him.
We are hungry.
Look at him.
Yes.
He says he's hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry.
Ask person who is hungry what he's doing for a living.
But at the end of the day, are we truly hungry? That is Joe Ibokwe. Joe Ibokwe trying to tell you that Buhari, even from the grave, is ruling elsewhere. He's a good man. This is how you prosper in Nigeria. You just lie against your people. You made it. Before now, the only way to prosper and succeed in Nigeria is betray one Igbo man. You made it. So people are carrying that character inside IPOB. But we will tell you this is another generation. Just betray your brother, you become famous. Maybe you begin to understand why governor in Abia State will order a terrorist from Kutajalo Mountain to come and kill his brother. There in Afari Beku, Ndiushi. But of course you will understand. As a politician, the day you try to develop Biafra land, that day you'll be indicted by EFCC. That is when you know that British court even judge financial crime here in Nigeria. What is Ibori doing in London? London, did Ibori steal your money? United Kingdom. But we know what all of you are doing. Why did they kill Alamesie? Alamesie, did you steal London money? But we know what you are doing. Why is Simon Bakwe begging money to eat in Imo State? Didn't Bakwe steal money? And then every politician who have tried to develop our land, they make mockery of them. But yet, we will not understand. Only when you behave like people like Okezie Ekpazu. I told somebody that pillar Okezie Ekpazu set in Osishoma is just like the same monorail Chibuku Amechi set in Burukiri or my one. Just deceive your people, you move ahead. Accelerating order. From councillor, you become chairman. From chairman, you become rep. From rep, you become senator. From senator, you become governor. From governor, you become which one? Representative. From representative or any name they call it, you eye for president. Okorocha come for presidency 2023. Igbo presidency. Ndiushi. No, just imagine. Chibuike looted every morning in River State when he was using it to sponsor terrorists to rule over us. And he built 13 pillar monorail. Billions, of course, Chinese or Japanese, I don't know the one that collected the money. Kill and divide. Only when you are there to loot money, share it with the same people, they become relevant. Get ready for the worst. These are just but few. We can only imagine. The Nigerian state is uploading evil for us, but most of you will not agree that our air is being poisoned. Most of you will not agree. I want you to wake up in the morning or at midnight. Begin to inhale the air. You notice it's pepperish. But you will not agree because you've not noticed. All of a sudden they were talking about black suit, white suit. They have killed the matter, but they are still there. But you will not agree. Most of you will not agree that our food is being poisoned. And when we ask you not to eat cow, some people are saying, I want to eat cow. But God is answering our prayer because the owner of cow now is going to take their cow. So you get ready. God, I thank you. That I was Fulani are taking their cow away. I bless you, oh God. Get ready on Sunday. We shall pray for Nigeria, all of them. This is just the beginning. But of course, whether you agree or not, I am happy that today you are all testament to the fact that Fulani herdsmen killing, the kidnapping, the raping, the murderers is no longer a secret. The Reverend Father that was murdered in Enugu was because he demanded that the Nigerian terrorists, he tell them who is killing people. Who are these people? Now they watch him and as they are listening to me, they say, oh, we're going to kill this man. But killing that Reverend Father has stopped the truth from being told. But make no mistake about it. They will not win this war. The essence of all these things we are saying is to make sure that our people know what is coming because it is inevitable. So when you are there, you say, oh, hey, they are talking. May God have mercy upon your soul. Don't get prepared. Jesus said, when you see this sign coming, anybody that is in the farm, let them not come home. Anybody that is on top of the building, let them not come down. I pity pregnant women on that day. I'll be back in a minute anyway.
Oh, nana. Land of the right and John Lovine, my originality. Land of the right and land of the right and Biafra, my home, my fatherland. Biafra, land of the right and Biafra, my home, my fatherland. We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God, the Creator. Wise men from the east, south, and the middle, great Biafran people. But they kill it to idol worship and we lost the face of our God. And as we wallowed in idol worship and the British entered in, trading on the Niger, exploiting their people, trading by barter. You give me palm oil and take soup to them enter there. I brought in civilization, brought in their religion, and told us about America, and we embraced them. I never knew them got ulterior motive. With religious pretenders amongst our brethren, with denomination, tear us apart. Building churches, schools and hospitals. We'll have a new way out to pay this much to be your place forever. Oh, nah. So we fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schism. We fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schism. But our lives have gone poor.
Yes, of course, our life has gone poor, but honestly, don't think it's going to be easy. But we should be ready. We are ready for all things at this moment. Our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line is 070815454642. Our WhatsApp line remains 070815454642. Our direct line is 08122152971. Our direct line once again is 08122152971, and special number dedicated to the female is 08128858614. Special number for the female is 08128858614. And of course, our lines are open and you're free to call in. Can you hear me, caller on the line?
Yes, Mazi, good morning.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please, my brother.
Okay, this is Obuchukwu from Abia State. Mazi, I have a complaint. This is a radio I did at the corner of Abia State. I don't know what's happening.
Yes, sir. Ordinarily, I would not have answered you. Ordinarily, I would not have answered you. But as my first caller, let me allow you to go with it. You are from Ebonyi State. Are you a member of IPOB?
Yeah, I'm a member of IPOB.
Ask your coordinator.
Okay, no.
He will tell you. The due for where the transmitter is have expired. The people say if we don't pay, they will not on the radio. Over 1 month now. And there are people gossiping, oh, they are chopping money, Write a receipt for that. So when you come and anybody come in to say, hey, go and ask your coordinator. Thank you very much. Go ahead if you have any other thing to say.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
And bless you too, my brother. Are you there, caller, on WhatsApp? Thank you very much. Go ahead if you have any other thing to say. I don't like I'm hearing, and bless you too, my brother. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? I don't like, I am getting my voice caller on WhatsApp. I'm hearing, and bless you too, my brother. Can you hear me, caller on the line? Good morning from here.
Good morning. This important time to support the resolution of Biafra. I'm greeting you. It's Mazi I am speaking this morning. It touches my heart. All you have been singing days, night, and the morning. May the Almighty refresh you back. Not especially our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. I'm saying the Chukwuka who has brought him, understand him, to support as many that are supporting his backbone, as many are at his back, not the backstabbers of the Nigerian. I say the Almighty supports everybody that is thinking good of our restoration. This morning, I reason with you. Yes, it has been a long time. They have been worrying us. The prayer you talk of our praying on Sunday, I know the Almighty have accepted it even before we ask. He is here for us. Nnamdi Kanu have come out to open our eyes. But the evil men, the evil contracted men that call themselves leaders, but nobody appointed them. just, can I say, the British appoint them so that they do their work. Make the understanding come on to us this time around. Ichemofo, I raise my hand for you. More especially our lovely sister, the Immaculate Wife, Nene, who has been supporting right from time. A former Abarigo, Akan Moneli, I'm greeting you. I'm not here to promote, but here to speak for us to support our leader. In whatsoever he has said has come to pass. Except that morning we expect him to dance. And that morning, I believe, it's us now to support him to make that dancing morning to come true. You're right, so man. I know you are coming in and going out to go to Kabia, my sweet you. You are rising, you are falling and rising to go to Kabia, my sweet you. Nobody, no evil eye will see you. Any bagger for it, Sama, and you go, we head down. And they claim ego, the ego. Where is ego? Ego comes from the land of Biafra. This is what the world is supposed to know. There is no flying ego in that area called contraction, either in the Sahara or in the western side of the so-called contraction. There is nothing like ego there. So any good thing comes from the land of the living. That land of the living is the land of rising sun. And I'm happy to be a full-time member of the Rising Sun
Land. Very much.
Thank you. I will stop so far so that others will contribute.
Thank you, my
But later in the evening, I have a song I will sing for my leader.
That would be fine.
I would like to come back. Thank you.
That would be fine. Thank you,
glory.
You do.
So any good thing comes from the land.
Kolan WhatsApp, are you there?
That land of the living is the rising.
Kolan WhatsApp.
Good morning,
Go ahead, please. Of course, that is so epileptic as always. Can you hear me, call on the line?
Yes, good morning,
Good morning.
Kadama bless you and bless our leader. Kadama protect him in all his journey to restore Biafra. Kadama guide our deputy leader, Mazik Choka from the 4, a strong man. Kadama protect him. Kadama guide every journey IPOB and the hard cause. My name is Kinika. I'm calling from Enugu province, Biafra land. I just want to say that Kadama have done us good. We don't have any other complaint. We don't have anything again to say that Kadama have opened our eyes. We have seen things that are happening. If they did not kill the father, they said, no, Onyen Zopota. The father is Onyen Zopota. According to them, the father is not just a small one. Because they have been killing small ones in the Keneru Bero, Onyen Zopota. But they killed this particular last one, they killed this Onyen Zopota. That is why all the Enugu Asuroko. I thank you. They have not come. They will still kill Onyen Chekweko or Geneka or whatever they name them. They will still do more if they did not rise up to support Biafra. Because as they are doing now, all those things they are doing. So one day, you know that Nigeria judiciary do not have law. They are lawless because the ordinary people will come and say and protest. They will prescribe them. But when the terrorist himself went there, they will give him paper to bind the people that he want to bind. So I didn't see law in that country. But one thing I am asking is, let nobody ask Nigeria to let us go, because they must be destroyed completely. Nothing, no living thing will be in that corporation called Nigeria before we go, because they have done us wrong. They have done us wrong. You know that all the people that in IPOB, all these people, is the people that they have killed. They have killed us. We came back, reforced again to get our land. So they will not know what they are doing until they are completely destroyed. That country will be completely destroyed, including the people that are supporting them, including the people that have joined their hand, and so including the ones that are praying for them. All of them joined together, they will be saved. Because when the children of Israel are crossing after they have crossed the Red Sea, you see there are people that the land opened and the land swallowed them. There are those who are still here in the Biafra land. The land will open them, they will swallow them, because they are not for the good of the restoration of Biafra. All these people that are making noise, they are making noise. They are not supporting Biafra. They are making noise. Those only few are now telling us, we now understand what you people have been saying. I say, your eyes open very, very early now. You would have stayed there. They are saying now that the Enugu are being surrounded by Fulani. I say, is it now that your eyes are opening to know that this place are being surrounded by Fulani and nobody is safe? Nobody, no human being is safe in this particular land. But Nigeria will be destroyed completely, including the supporters and every one of them that are praying for the blessings of Nigeria, including all these media team that are newspaper head that are jumping up and down and writing nonsense and do not want to tell the people the truth. All of them, none of them will be escaped from that fire that will burn Nigeria, that brimstone that will fall on Nigeria. All of them will die, including Jubrin. He thought he was from Sudan, that if cases started happening, he would run back to Sudan. He would die, including his entire family, for agreeing to come and deceive people. He would die there, because that man is very, very wicked. He's more wicked than the dead one. May you bless all of you that are calling on Radio Biafra, standing day in, day out to help us, to teach us, to let us know what we did not know since we were born. May you bless you and keep strengthening all of you. In the name of Chukwu, I pray.
Thank you very much. You see, are you there? Call on WhatsApp. Call on WhatsApp. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Mazi. Good morning, Mazi George.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Good morning, fellow Biafrans. My name is Obi Mane Chibike. I'm calling from the state of Israel. Mazi, thank you very much for the topic this morning. I want to remind our politician, the Biafran politician, and the Zulu politician at large, that they should learn from history. Mazi, in the year 2015, when the then Buhari take over power, when he smuggled himself into power, he arrested 3 people in that zoo called Nigeria and from Biafra land. He arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he arrested Sambo Dasuki, and he arrested Zazaki. Among the 3 of them, one was a politician, while the 2 was freedom fighter. They are fighting for the freedom of their people. Mazi, to show you how useless and how for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB, they protested when they grant Mazi bail, but the zoo government refused to grant him bail. We protested, we marched on the street, we took the barrels of the gun, and fortunately they released our leader. Same thing happened to Zazaki. His people protested and they released him. But look at Dazuki, a politician. Nobody comes for him. Nobody is willing to take bullet for him. Nobody is willing to protest for him. The PDP, they just do what they did because they know that all of them are the same thing. They share money to people to come and protest. They pay 1,000. People protested for 2 hours and go back to their home and share their money. But now the man is still in prison till today. That is how it will be happening to our people. They did it to Alamesia. Nobody come out for him. They did it to Ibori. They did it to many of them. But you people that are fighting for the people know their own people. We take risk for them. We stand by them. But once more, I want to talk to the people of Yoruba. They have seen how they are holding their person. So it is time for them to replicate what we have done. They call us names, they call us miscreants, but we have done it once more. It's time for them to stand up for that guy and protest, not 2 hours protest. Ordinary tear gas is carrying them away. They should take the bull by the horn and stand by him and protest so that we will march in line. They should change that name from revolution. They should change it for better Nigeria. Let them stand for their Oduduwa. Why are they afraid to mention that name as Oduduwa? Will there be better in Oduduwa land more than in Nigeria land? Let them stand up and fight for their rights. But the Nigerian government, they're trying to make us to be afraid. They're killing our people. Man, imagine how they killed the Dubi in Lagos. They shot that guy and that guy bled to death inside their own van. That boy bled to death inside their own van. They're trying to kill all of us. The world should take note. The world should take note. The whole humanity should take note. Recently, they are coming for us. They are bringing all their weapons in Biafra land. How long shall we wait? Is it until when they kill us finish and the world should hear our voice? They should hear our voice right now before it becomes too late, because it will affect every humanity. It will affect them not think that they are safe right there. But once more, before I hang on, I want to appeal to the people of Tiala. They should continue with their closure of their market. We beg them, let them continue. We are comfortable with it. Our people have seen it. We did not die for the 2 days they stopped selling meat to us. We manage. We eat our own meat. The mama put, the canteen, they sell their market. People eat. So let them continue. We are comfortable with it. Well, thank you very much this morning. And God bless you and bless France.
Thank you. We must continue. The truth cannot be overemphasized. I just learned something from what our brother just said. Dasuki was the person who arrested terrorist Buhari when he overthrew a democratic elected president, Alhaji Shehu Shagari Utale Sekwime. It was Dasuki that arrested Buhari. So whatever Buhari is doing to Dasuki, it's just a payback time for all of them. Of course, British government will help them cover it. They think we are stupid. But of course, what I learned is politicians, you get ready. Your time will come, nobody will protect you. You will understand the true meaning of democracy. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Don't worry. This thing will meet all of you, both big and small. This rain will beat all of you. Politician, high class, intellectual, nowhere in the world will save your children. Don't worry. Hey, we are hiring killers, then we carry gun. Hey, it's a lie. No, zobu. All of you get ready. It's not a threat, it's a promise. Nowhere in this world will save your children. We are friending your children already. Most of you don't know. We are friending your children already, both men and women. Get ready, because you never know what is coming for you. Except they will not marry. Except they will not marry. Can you hear me, caller on the line? Good morning. Go ahead, please.
It's me, I'm the friend of William. And Maze, God bless you. My topic I'm talking this morning is Fulanis and the Yorubas said it to Fulanis and the Yorubas said Bayelsa oil belongs to Jigawa. A foolish Ijo man is still mentioning Niger Delta name. Can Niger Delta restore Ijo people? Can Niger Delta rescue some people? The Anglican and the Romans of the British and the Yoruba terrorists wear the pure white garments and came and deceived Ijo people after the Civil War. Told them the Riverine people
are Niger Deltas, not Biafrans. Biafrans are only for the Igbos. And they believe. Yesterday evening, 2 Bayelsa old men came to me and asked me, if Biafran come now, can we Igbos forget and leave to revenge the evil some of them, the Bahrain area people, did against Igbo? Then I asked them, what is that? And they answered the abandoned properties case that they did against Igbos after the civil war has ended. Then I told them that all things have passed away according to the Bible, and they shook head and asked me again, God and the person who wrote the Bible. Then I answered again, and they said it was the person with the God knowledge and spirits. Then they asked me again, the British people, are they among for those that wrote the Bible? That's what I mean. Is it the British among them that they wrote the Bible? Then I answered yes, and they became very, very angry and said the British and the Yorubas was the people that deceived them to believe that they are not among the Igbos Biafrans. The Biafra is for all Igbos. Let them did, now the people told them, which was let them give the Igbos the war abandoned properties case that they did against the Igbos, their brothers. And the same British and the Yorubas came together with General Yakubu Gowon and told them, and during Clark in those days, to tell him that those people, their people, that they are not among the Biafran, they are the Niger Deltas. They will be the name of their republic very soon. That Niger Delta will be the name of their republic very soon. Let them not believe in Biafra. Man, did you see? Chai, did you see how some liberal people been deceived? And some foolish ones are still foolish mumu ones are still calling themselves Niger Deltas, the kingdom. God forbid. Truly speaking, Mazi, did you know in some parts of the villages of riverine areas, enemies have surrounded them more than the Southeast people said. Not laughing matter. And some liberal people are yet still doing and talking where Niger Deltas, South, Republic of West Africa, and some of them are still talking where Ogun Kingdom, That's a rubbish. The only thing that remains for them and those enemies to be doing to them now are to sleeping in one bed with them and to eating loi and gari in the same time with them, because they are still sleeping, thinking evil things against us in their minds. God forbid. Saying in their hearts, Igbos are bad. Igbos want their oils. Igbos want to be ruling them. We Igbos do this. Igbos do that. Oh, Mars, God bless you. I have meant to say, but let me say like this. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and for the avoidance of doubt, we have all been wounded. We wounded all ourselves. Nobody will run. Igbo committed their own. Ijo committed their own. Akwa Ibom committed their own. Efik, Enami, Bibi, Albo. All of us were used against one another. Just that some people own are obvious. The bottom line is simple. Biafra is Biafra. Biafrans must wake up. Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Good morning.
Go ahead, please, my brother.
Na dikudan ono ne no kwesne na south kan wuro wo Biafra asin Chineke gba uno ume ne no gulu bondra hambasi ike ona eme na so mere ona eme no na so ana omo no mu Biafra mi re ona na bo na na lo mo ne si ma e na Mozambique ne ko wa fo maka aga odiro ni hu no ya zo mo ya tini na Biafra Chineke ya budra ko batara hazla ha ko ta bia I don't know the how I can say the money because this is broadcast in this early morning. early morning broadcasting. I'm going to be one year never no more vanilla. Walk over a call. Early morning broadcasting. This is our brother, Master Leader. Bacalabat in all walk over a call. You get it back for the money walk warm.
It's unbelievable. Your line is. I think you are coming out now. Go ahead. But I wonder what is disturbing it.
I want to use the opportunity to tell our people from Nakala, those that are calling for, those that are looking for the Adubin family in Nakala. I want to tell them to come join us here in Nampula. If you don't have to join us, call us for the food. Because I got the information yesterday, and one day now I'm that Nahana to join the family, Adubin family here in Nampula. I'm actually going each of what I all these in Nakala and province Nampula, all the same thing, instead of not this week, call but join all this much far for you to come and join us. Nobody get what I almost did that the level water, nobody get what I see here. Nobody no 8607
Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on the line. Caller on the line, are you there? But of course, Zoo Epileptic Network, as always, we must continue. Caller on the line, are you there?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning from here.
They call him right now from Aba, but I hear from Enugu province, sir.
Go ahead, please.
My brother, I want to speak to Biafran politicians. I want to remind them of what has happened to their members before. Somebody like the first Senate president, Will Obasanjo, took from 1999. All the Okadibo and so on and so forth, even those that have been for one Nigeria, simply for one Nigeria, many of them have been destroyed for the sake of one Nigeria. And many of them are still up to today sabotaging their own people for one Nigeria. For worthless money called Nigeria Naira. Let them open their eyes. Because if they refuse to open their eyes now and do the right thing now, time is coming when something that happened to Okadibo will happen to them. When something that happened to Ades Ekweme, when Ades Ekweme was sick, he requested for money to go for treatment from federal government of Nigeria. They refused. But when he finally died, then bring 1 billion naira for his burial. All those things is what they should open their eyes to see. My brother, even if you don't learn a lesson, you must use what happened to another person to learn a lesson. But up till now, our Biafra politicians are killing their youths for the sake of peanut they are getting from the Hausa, Fulani, Yoruba politicians. I'm sorry for them because what we are suffering today is what our brothers in politics. Look at this woman called Roleto Noche. She's a Biafran, but she's kicking hardly against what we are doing. But she maybe in one way or the other she have sons and daughters somewhere. But all of them combined together because of peanuts they are getting from British to Hausa Fulani. I'm sorry for them because in no distant time, each and every one of them for where they will pay heavily for the offenses they have committed against their own people. Thank you very much. That's what I have to say.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Are you there, caller on WhatsApp?
Yes, I am here,
Go ahead,
my
please.
honorable rep.
Go ahead, please.
My rep, good afternoon from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. My name still remains Ezekwem Uchechi. I'm from Amuro. Amuro is Kiwe province, Biafra land. Mazonibe, we thank you, Kuka Biama, for your life, and we thank you, Kuka Biama, for the life of our deputy, our leader, and the lives of all the hardcore Biafrans, IPOP worldwide. Mazi, I want to comment later on clip you just played. And that clip you played, I have watched the interview, and what this man called Joe Ibokwe always disgrace himself. I cannot see why each time Nigeria want to launder their image of the so-called zoo, they always have a big they will use to do that nonsense. Can you imagine install in Astro? This come to remind me one of the broadcasts our director did sometimes or months ago, when he said that those people that we call elected representatives, if they have a mission of inquiry from outside the zoo to inquire what is happening to Biafrans. So these are the kind of people who meet. And looking for a Biafran are into government to come and talk something that connects to Biafran or our affair in the state of Nigeria in Lagos State. So this kind of a thing would be on the state TV or national TV, yapping mouth all the time. Joey Bokwe. But he's a Biafran. That's by the way. Another thing, Mazi Onibe, and I thank God you made that comment that Sunday is coming. And I gladly welcome that. And so shall it be because you have started. And that should be that every Sunday we will be worshiping or pray for this. That one for the betterment of them. Let Biafra to pray for the betterment of the zoo. I want the dismantling of this entity, the hellfire upon the surface of the earth called Nigeria. Come and pray on Sunday. Do you know from the clip pray another play? President, no, you know the statement he have a good will for the betterment of Nigeria. So, President Goodluck, they could not allow him to rule, and from the of the but he Goodluck him might not Nigeria.
Yes, sir, that line distortion is getting unbearable. If you can call back, please do. Are you there, caller on the line?
Good morning, Mazoiwe.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
I am very happy to get you this morning. Indeed, the spirit of Biafra is unquenchable spirit. Mazi, let me quickly say good morning to my people in a chair. My people in a chair in River State, Biafra land. I am telling them good morning, even though I know that they have not woken up. It is only few of us that has woken up. I still want to tell them good morning because time has come when we shall beg no one to rise up and join us. Time has come when we shall not remind them anymore. Time has come when we shall allow them to be fooled by their fool masters. Time has come when we shall forget about them and continue what we are doing, because the gate of Biafra is about to be shut, where all the fools shall not come in again. It happened back then in the days of Noah. In this our own time, in the time of our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, it shall happen again, because the flood of the zoo shall rain and wipe them away. Thank you, Mazi. I want to thank you special for what you have been doing for us. It has not been easy, waking us up every early morning with a gingering and a noble spirit of victory, spirit of success, spirit of truth, and the spirit of the lion heart. Thank you, Mazonyimbe. My name is Prince Ombutochukwu Okoli Joma. I am calling you from Eche. Thank you, and keep on keeping on.
Thank you very much, my brother. We must continue. Call on WhatsApp. Are you there?
Yes, I'm still here. There's intermittency on the WhatsApp. I didn't even know. Yes, the line. I think the thing is from the attack from the zoo, because I could remember when Mazi Obilo called from Maputo. You know,
Exactly
the same thing happened. But yes, he say he's coming from the zoo, because here we have a very strong internet, especially those from diaspora. Okay, you know, without wasting more time, because I'm almost rounding off what I was saying before, you know. So what I'm trying to say, as you said, this coming Sunday, we are going to pray. If you want to pray for the zoo, betterment of the zoo, or you want to pray for dismantlement of the zoo, is get ready on Sunday. We are going to do that, and Chukwu Abịama will strengthen us. So what I'm saying in fact is that those of us who are so fanatics about their so-called religion or the so-called Christianity, when you mention don't pray for the betterment of the zoo, they were thinking Nigeria is one. They were thinking that you are touching something so holy. The time has come, but most of them don't know that Nigeria is registered on OIC. Babangida registered Nigeria $21 billion, not even million, not emo, as far back of 1980 something, 1989 or 1983. Babangida 1989, something like that. Babangida, what the value of currency then? And you convert it to today's currency, exchange rate today, you know how much Nigeria have lost to register that nation into that organization of an Islamic nation. But today, some of them who so claim that they love Nigeria so much are still califanting, still taking betterment of the zoo. What are you praying for?
Nigeria is going to borrow money, and they are going to borrow money. Whereas money to register Nigeria as a terrorist, well-known organization terrorist in the world, can solve the problem of the whole world. But of course, the worst is coming.
20 billion. Do you know 20 billion can build monorail, can do second line?
Are we going to talk about the one Omar Kutu can run to London, and they gave him house somewhere at Bishop Avenue in London? Are we going to talk about the billion they used to sacrifice to idol in the name of Festac? Where are we going to start?
My rep, he's too numerous. He's too numerous. It's okay, but we are looking for one agenda, and that agenda we shall get. Just like the topic you raised last night, and a letter, Rabbi came on air and concur it. Everybody should be getting ready. Know how you want to do that money you think you are having, and you don't want to release it to work for this struggle. Can imagine a caller that called from a Ebonyi State. The only reason why our real estate cannot be on is only never make payment for the monthly payment they need to make to the people that can charge for that real estate to be functioning, so that people will be hearing this gospel and know when that sound will sound, and know when it will sound. Get ready that the hour has come. Our people are just holding their money. Our people some of us are so wicked. Only because of that. That's why the real estate cannot function in the Ebonyi State.
Some of those things are sabotage. I just believe that one day the leadership will see those behind it. It's just the rent. It's just the rent. And it's Ebonyi State that gives reduced radioactive currents to Cross River State. And so when Ebonyi State is down, Cross River State is down. When Anambra is down, Delta State is down.
Goodness me, my
and
goodness
then there
me.
are people who would have moved at their coordinator. What is wrong with this thing? And let their coordinator tell them lie or tell them the truth. But they will not.
My goodness.
Very soon I hear Onyibe is eating the money in the Oshi. My brother,
My
thank you
rep,
very much.
I
We must
understand.
continue.
God bless you. Thank you. Yes,
We must
thank you. Let's
continue.
give other people chance
Our
to
people
come.
must
Thank you.
remain focused. Get ready, because the worst is yet to come. There is no two ways about it. But no matter what happens, it can only be better. We can only get better. There is nothing you can do about it. It's not there is no platform to negotiate about it. We will always get better. We will always get better. It's just that if you prepare your mind for what is coming, the load becomes easier to carry, no matter how heavy it is. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, are you there? Go ahead, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. You deserve every honor. You deserve it because you have worked for it. I appreciate you. As I said, the blessings of the Most High to go together. Continue to be with you and empower you. Till we finish this battle and get to our land and the next day worship our Sukoti Kadiama. Without worshiping him through any investor, nobody will be an investor between us and Sukoti Kadiama. We are the children of Sukoti Kadiama, and our leader is sent by Sukoti Kadiama to come and liberate us. Can't you see you cannot understand that our leader has been the go to what kind of take him on this father's head to bring peace. Let every nation go and say that nation. What are we talking about? Trump stay in America. We are not stay in America. Hausa, we are staying in our land. Yoruba stay in our land. We want to stay in our land. Is this a guy? Your people are telling us to do you know what it's called to be circumcised? 8 days after death, we are soldiers from the dead. And listen, hello, listen, we are soldiers from the dead. Because after 8 days, we are circumcised. We will do the person we pass through with us. Do you know that when we were growing, our mother when we were protected, they used to give us something to pass for our time. And we use the right to use for our clothes. And that person, they will use it to put all over our body, in the bottom, everywhere, and we will explode. The whole was no Biafra will explode. How about the Bible talk about? What time they do that? My water, what I will talk about. I said, I will not go from my bed. I will not be afraid of anyone. Stop it. It is not a topic of tomorrow. We have to pay attention. Everywhere we will. Biafra will be a thought. It is either Biafra or the no one everywhere. That's what we do. That's what we said to everybody. We are on our own, and we are under command and control. We must combat every thought that is given to us. But we are watching them. Everybody should take this. The fire against for the preparation of the class to take a knife. You all have to be shaped. You all have to be black. Without Biafra, everything on this end will go down. But then you don't take it to God. And for them, I want to do that. I see all even that go over to show. Yes, too. Because later I have to take the chairman. The time, that's what I think is very good. We want to drop Biafra. All the Biafra. All the Biafra.
Oh, nana. Land of the right and John Divine, my originality. Land of the right and land of the right and Biafra, my home, my fatherland. fatherland. We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God, the Creator. Was made from the east, south, and the middle. Great Biafran people. We take it to idol worship and we lost the face of our God. And that we were lost in idol worship and the British entered there. Turning on the Niger, exploiting your people, trading bad butter. You give me palm oil and take smoke to them yesterday. Rotten civilization, rotten your religion, and told us about America, and we embraced them. I never knew them got up to their protest. With religious pretend that some of some brethren, with denomination, tear us apart. Building churches, schools and hospitals. We never knew we had to pay this much. Oh, no. It was so hard against them systems, fighting against them schism. We fought so hard against them systems, fighting against them schism. But our lives have gone poor. At the very spot we left out when we got. Now is the time to be restored. Great Biafra be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for Biafra. I know Biafra. Land of the rising. Land of the rising sun. The descendants of Abraham, from Father Isaac, the descendants of Jacob, their price and reality.
Why are you people lying? Why don't you tell them they want an independent Biafra? Oh, they're fighting for their freedom. So we owe everything to Chukwuka to ask us to come. Not by our own minds, nor power of will, but by the grace of the power.
Back in 1940, amalgamation, colonial master, criminal master, a mercenary soldier, named Frederick Lugar, brought together all them captives, including Jah people, them Yorubas and them Ariwas, and so many other people called us Nigeria, Niger area. Oh, Nigeria, people with different religion, different beliefs, yeah, different in culture and tradition, different language, different in everything, overstanding on the reason for us to coexist together. In the plant of confusion, describe it as oil and the water that can never mix that. Planted the cabals, them representatives here in Nigeria, looting on our treasures, colonial external marginalization of them Biafrans. Now is the time for manifestation. Now is the time